process.
Run, Judge! Oh, I got a spot on video. It wasn't my fault, he bent right. Mitchell Mitchell. Mike Jeff, okay. Michael. Kyle's way back. Tongue's way over here. Pick it up. Come on, Michael, put it down. Put it down, Michael. Don't drive like Grandma Moses. Now's when you break it. Do it. Whoa! And a pass. And a pass. Now we got Mike last, I believe, if that was Mike. And there's Kyle floppity right there. No, another crash smash. Oh, and they all tapped it. Every one of them tagged that. That's cool. That's cool when they all beat it up. Where'd they go? There's Kyle. And they're coming all the way back around here. Big up over. Oh, settle down now. Get back into the Grandma Moses mode. You just kept it right side up. You kept it right side up at least. There was one clean. Two clean. Three clean. Ooh, you got a minute. Get there in a minute. Well, so maybe that's Jeff. See, I get them mixed up. Yeah, and they changed the beard apparatus this week. You guys are not playing fair when they do that stuff. He was short on it. He's trying. That lap traffic, let's see how. Oh, they got by that. Oh, and he messed up again. It's his fault. It's his own fault, the way he drives. Oh, man. Some of these people need some good medical. Settle him down a little. Gosh, I think that's Jeff. I think Jeff beat mine.
Jeff, I thought you were done with Michael. Really, you are done. How else you are